another Sunday. So this Sunday, I mean this whole week, you know, you and me are going to sing this song which the world, especially Indians, are obsessed with, and it's called Rasode Mein Kaun Tha. We all know it was Rashi, but the drama and the hype that this is receiving is crazy. And it has successfully made its place in my subconscious mind. You know, when you're doing something and you just start humming it to a point where it makes no sense. So you must be very familiar with this phrase, kya chal raha hai, and everybody says fog. It's the same thing now. Everybody is gonna ask you, Rasode mein kaun tha? At this point, I think I'm gonna reply saying, tu zumain so go, because it's really annoying. To be honest, 2020 has given us some really huge trends. I mean, I never thought we would have something like Rasode mein kaun tha after we had Binod. And you know, even the foreigners and the Firangs were obsessed with Binod. For those of you who don't have a clue, let me tell you, there is this guy, he's a music producer, very talented. He bought the concept of dialogues with beats. I mean, his whole feed is with that only. And on 20th August, he posted this Rasode Mein Kaun Tha video. You already know where it has reached in just like what, 10 days? This guy went from 13k followers to almost 7 lakhs right now. And on top of that, with everything else that's happening in India right now, I mean the SSR case, the brutal rapes and the floods.
रसोड़े में कौन है? रसोड़े मतलब रसोई में. कल मेरे साड़ी पर जूस गिरा था और मैं नहाने गई थी. कहती है ये राशि बेन थी. फिर सास कहती है ये राशि.
Can you beat that? I think the nation already knows who was in the Rasoda and still they are doing this. Some things never change. Let's get back to our point. So fam, if you've seen the video, it starts with Kokila Bain saying that the juice had fallen on her sari and she went to have bath again. But guess what happened? Let me show you. So you know, it's exactly like the rumor you heard about somebody which was exaggerated AF. You know what? Why do I even expect sense from TV serials? Like, what is wrong with me? Then we have memes like this. Chand pe hai apun to rasode mein kaun tha? Via Republic Rasoda, wo riya thi. Okay. Perfect poster doesn't exist. Finding chana. Okay, that's not it. To top that, I also have seen people choreographing on this song. Now that I've seen that choreography, I can finally rest in peace, because you know, what can you not do with that song? So then a thought came into my mind and I was like, what if this obsession is transformed into our daily life situations? I mean, how would that be? Hello, what is up bro? हाँ bro बता. अरे अभी ना क्या आया यार? What? तेरी भी साड़ी पे जूस गिरा था क्या या कुछ और? साड़ी पे हलवे? तूने गलत नंबर लगाया क्या? अच्छा वो सब छोड़, बता रसोड़े में कौन था? किसका रसोड़ा भाई? अरे उसी रसोड़े में जिसमें कुकर में से चने निकाल कर खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया. अच्छा सुन ना, मैं तेरे चने कुकर में डालूं क्या? नहीं, मेरे चने मुझे प्यारे. सॉरी भाई, मजाक कर रहा था मैं. नहीं ना? हाँ फिर बकवास बंद कर. कल गणेश चतुर्थी के मोदक दिए थे तो वो बॉक्स में फ्रिज में रखकर मैं नहाने गई थी. फिर वापस आने के बाद किसी ने सारे मोदक बॉक्स में से निकालकर खाली बॉक्स फ्रिज में रखवा दिया. वो कौन था? तुम थी, मैं थी. कौन था? वो कौन था? वो आपकी बेटी थी. हाय बेबी, जल्दी बोलो, क्यों बुलाया आज मिलने को? रुको जरा, धक्का बुक्की मत करो, बता रही हूँ मैं. म्यूजिक. कल 12 बजे गुड नाइट टेक्स्ट कर तुम सोने चले गए थे. हाँ. तो ये जान के मैं भी ऑफलाइन चली गई थी. हाँ. फिर 12:02 में तूने इस लड़की का फोटो लाइक कैसे किया? मैं थी, तेरी बहन थी, तेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी. ये कौन थी? अरे वो मेरी साइड चिक थी, अभी नहीं है, थी.
Game over.
ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया. ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया।
हेलो, वो वाला गाना लगाना जरा कोरोके के लिए। राशि थी,
कैरियोके होता है वो हलवी।
कुकर में से सीटी बजा के कुकर में से चने निकाल कर। ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट अ felony, व्हाट अ क्राइम। कुकर में से चने निकाल लिए और खा लिए। Okay, that's not it. What if this whole thing was in Konkani? काल मुगे नायटीचे ज्यूस पळो म्हूण हांव पोत्तून न्हावपा गेलोलें तेन्ना तूं चोणे कुकरान घालून मुजबो येयलोलें न्हू। कुजना कोण आसलोलो? हांव तें, तूं तें, हांव तें, तूं तें, कोण तें? आगो कोण तें?
राशि।
ये राशि तें मारकिऱ्यात कुकरान गायलो चोणे काडून हाली कुकर गॅसीर पेटोयन दोला, पेटोयन दोला, पेटोयन दोला। ये राशि तें मारकिऱ्यात कुकरान गायलो चोणे काडून हाली कुकर गॅसीर पेटोयन दोला, पेटोयन दोला, पेटोयन दोला। And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who you think might enjoy this obsession video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, like what are you doing still? Please subscribe to my channel if you watch and like my videos. Comment down below and let me know which was your favorite part about this video. Also, when I came live last time and told you guys about my radio interview with RJ Joed on 91.9 indigomusic.com and asked y'all if y'all are gonna tune in. So out of that, the 3 top people who are gonna get a shout out today on this channel, first of all is Deepraj.Rani. He's one of my good friends, so thank you so much, buddy. Shout out to this Instagram handle called Lost It For A While by Lee. She's a real sister. And thirdly, shout out to Velanco_Fernandez_2207 for tuning in as well. Thank you so much, guys. Until then, Moog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.